Hello. Yes, we are on our way to Windsor. Suze is Scottish, so naturally she's a big royalist and just absolutely loves the royals. I mean, you can't get enough of them, can you, babe?
So true, love royals.
This is our first trip away out of lockdown, so we thought we'd not venture too far. We haven't got snacks for the ride, which I'm very disappointed about. Oh, but you know, it's only an hour away. Yeah, but I still need ride snacks. Anyway, welcome to our trip to Windsor.
Windsor, darling!
Lovely! So we've just arrived at our little annex cottage thing in Windsor. We're just going to go through their tourist information book and see what we can do here. Changing of the guard. No, it's Eton College. Oh, yes, right. 18 former British Prime Ministers have been bummed at this school. Cavalry Museum, Snore, Legoland, too many kids, Runnymede, never heard of it. Golf course, golf is boring. Thorpe Park, no, it sounds horrendous. Golf course, no, golf is boring. Windsor Great Park. Okay, now you're talking. Okay, so we're going to go to the park, we're going to go to a picnic. We're going to get pissed on the green. Lovely. Let's go and see Windsor. So we're here by the water, over there, that's the Thames. And here is the aforementioned alcohol in the park that I mentioned earlier. God, such a chav, really bringing the place down. They're quite posh, you know, you can really smell the privilege. Or maybe that's just my own sort of, you know, prejudice against the place, you know. It's so posh, I feel common. That is not how my mum raised me. Anyway, cheers.
I could be a boat captain. Kelly hair.
I'll be your sailor. Lovely. Gorgeous, darling. Love the feathers.
I just want to get caught there.
Oh God. Oh God. It's starting to rain.
It's starting to rain.
And it's really cold. Oh, look at my big fat fucking house. It's the fattest on the river. We don't even need curtains. Yes, I.